Good thing. Leave that
That's the
mark.
best time we've seen you in a while.
Please shut up, turn around, that's TV. We don't want to see that side of you. Good morning, everyone. Okay, you know what? First day I said 22 degrees. Next day I said 20 degrees. Today, guess what? It's 40. Feels like a heat wave.
Yes, it does.
Well, I know.
It
Coach
feels
Pugh's
awesome.
already wearing shorts this morning. I thought about it. I ain't even got socks on this morning, Zach, because it's that warm outside.
It ain't that warm
Heat
yet.
wave coming on through this weekend. Good morning. I'm Jamie Cooper. Thank y'all for getting up with us. This is Athens in the AM on a Thursday morning. We're kind of down a couple of regulars on a Thursday this morning. Bill Matthews is on that trip with 8th graders up in New York,
That's right.
New York City.
New York City.
New York City.
Come on in.
And Tom McAllister's laid out having a heart test, ain't he, Frank, this morning? But so y'all come have a seat anywhere you want to get over that way. We'll get this party started in just a second. Coach Pugh, congratulations.
Woo-hoo. Number one, baby.
Going to Gurley.
Yeah, we are.
Madison County High is what some people refer to it as. Having grown up in New Hope, it's Gurley.
It's no hope.
It's Gurley. That's right. And shut up. What, are you applying for a job today or what?
Got to go look for a new head coach or something. So we can't keep on this losing streak.
Well,
Y'all don't want to fire this.
I tell you what, now, like I said yesterday on here, a lot of y'all got stuff to do in the afternoon, but I watch Feinbaum every day. Buddy, he had them fired up yesterday.
Well, Nathan Fine Scum always does that.
He had Hancock on too, the head guy talking about Mississippi State getting in and all that. There's no way that I hate
You're not
to
going to have two
Mississippi
SEC
State
teams.
fans, that can last.
You're not going to have two SEC
teams.
teams. How can you leave out How can you leave out two Power 5 conferences? You're not going to do it.
Ain't gonna happen.
Not going to happen. Not going to be there. I don't care what Feinbaum says. He don't know what he's talking about.
Zach, what you got shaking this morning?
Not a whole lot. You know, they had a shooting at Florida State last night.
Sure
so
did.
I don't know if anybody who all was involved. That's a bad situation.
The shooter was killed.
Yes, and
Jameis Winston.
just how you get ready for high
telling
school football tomorrow,
Quarterback now.
and going to Tuscaloosa Saturday, big homecoming game.
You'll be the only one there.
I guess Coach Peeves just told me he wasn't going. So
He ain't got time to go down there. He's got other
prepare
things.
for a
He
state
needs to rest
championship
up
after this
Saturday.
week.
All right, let's get it cranking. I'll see if with everybody gone today on a Thursday, I've been having a house full for the last 2 or 3 weeks, and I'll see if we have enough after I've gone through everything to see if we can play at 6:15. Let's get it started right now because as Gloria just told you, it is a heat wave.
That's right. Lindsay Lane Academy will be here. Lindsay Lane Baptist Church Academy, I believe, is going to be here with the robotics team. We'll be talking to them. So if they get here in time, we can do the game show with them. And remember, today is blue and silver.
Yeah, I don't know if
day
they
for
want to answer some of the
dyslexia.
questions I got today.
Uh-oh, maybe they won't. All right, where's Dusty when we need him? Let's talk
He's
about
here
the
tomorrow.
forecast. 40 degrees. Yes, he'll be joining us tomorrow. 40 degrees right now. Feels wonderful. We'll see some sunshine today. Temperatures are going to rise, about 52 for your high. Tomorrow, that high is 55, low of 39. Partly cloudy skies because it looks like still Sunday is the day for rain. Carried on possibly into Monday, but Tuesday looking good. Temperatures sticking around the 50s next week. At least it won't be in the 20s.
All right, for all you loyal viewers, I won't be here next Thursday.
Duh.
I'll be here early.
Next week, we got to come on Tuesday or Wednesday because I'm going to replay Thursday and Friday. So I'll get with you after your big victory coming up this Friday night. And again, man, congratulations.
Thank you.
So you have got to be, this is just, we'll talk more about it later, but unbelievable year for you, man.
So if y'all win
That's it. They
to
want it all.
Friday, is that the state? No, you got one more game, right? Y'all play the week after. Y'all play that Friday or Thursday,
We play
Saturday?
Thanksgiving. We play Thanksgiving Friday too.
Okay, all right.
Oh, you don't get much time off. Well, that's what you got to do. You become, then you head
Number
down
one.
I'm supposed to ask you a question. Yesterday, I was at the gym. I don't go where I worked out. I just walked around and talked, socialized.
That's a
Yo,
true
that's a
statement.
Guy comes out from the
That's
other
a
side.
true
You know,
statement.
he says, I want you to ask tomorrow when Coach Jeff Few's on there, what is he going to do when Brick takes that scholarship to Auburn?
He's
We're
going
going to decline it.
No, he won't. Hey, he'll be like
He
me.
says you'll know who told him me to ask
Steve
him.
Davis. Okay.
All right, Zach, what you got this morning?
Yeah, that won't be happening in that family. But not a whole lot, Jamie, other than games Friday night. We got East Limestone going to Gurley, Tanner playing. You got Decatur also playing. We got the ball game Saturday. You got Alabama playing Western Carolina at 3 o'clock on ESPN, no SEC Network. And Auburn's playing Saturday night, but I'm not sure what channel they're on. So,
ESPNU, that's right.
ESPNU, thank you,
That
Brian.
mic's hot.
And hey, there's 17 teams that are still have a perfect season in high school football, and East Limestone is one of the 17. So
Is that it?
That's good. It's good to
that's about
How
all I
hard
got.
is it to give somebody hand signals when they walk in? Here,
There you go.
here. Good morning, Coach.
into the term.
How you doing?
Awesome.
Yeah, I like that bedhead look you got this morning. Up and ready to go. Yeah. Heat wave kind
Hey,
of going on.
where's my shirt at?
Back to you. Why are you dressed up? Shut up.
I've been this way all week long. I have
looks
meetings
real
all
good.
week long.
With Arkansas.
Are you over the loss from Arkansas,
That's it.
17-0, beat down?
Did I not predict it?
You did predict it.
Did I not predict it? Sure did. I went
He predicted
3-0
Auburn
last
was-
week.
How
I
does
predicted
an
Georgia. I
LSU
predicted
How does an
Alabama.
LSU fan handle such a disappointing season?
Look, it's you know. Alabama had to beat us. Alabama had to beat us with a trick play. I'm okay with that.
What trick play?
That when you put the guard or the tackle out there in the wide receiver position, and our guys were too stupid to realize that hey, he's covered up, he's ineligible. But whatever, it's okay.
So it's our fault we used a trick play.
No,
to
it's
beat
football.
y'all.
It's football.
We gave it to you on a fumble on the 5.
You didn't give it to us. We made him fumble. We broke it. We hurt his knee. Just cause he's look.
Clint.
Look, if Alabama loses, Alabama beats themselves. But if somebody else loses, oh, Alabama beat them. That's
Well, we did beat ourselves in the Ole Miss game, didn't we, guys?
That's
We
true.
did.
You
Yeah,
did
we should have had that.
well, you got to give credit to the Ole Miss defense.
While shut up said, do y'all think
LSU
Mississippi State
got
will be able to stay at 4 throughout this process?
I don't think so.
I'll tell you this, I wouldn't mind playing them again
I don't know if
if
you
I'm
want.
Alabama.
No, I don't.
A lot of
Jamie,
I know a lot of
that's like
Alabama fans say
Hey,
that.
Ole Miss might beat them.
I don't care. I don't think
It's hard to beat a team twice.
All right, next week, guys, we'll only be doing a Tuesday and a Wednesday show. So before I forget anything, let's just go ahead and throw it out there right now. Clint, pay attention. How much do you think Alabama will beat Auburn?
2 touchdowns.
Oh man,
I'm going to go 3 or 4.
I'm not.
Oh, yeah.
I hope it's so bad. Since Bill Matthews ain't here today, he's we got any photos of them?
Did that come through, Brad?
The one up with
New
them up
York?
in the the group shot.
That one.
There's a whole bunch in New York City.
New York City.
Yeah, is that the 8th grade
There's
math?
Haley.
Is that what that is?
That's not right there. That's North New York.
Haley and
That's
a whole
Buffalo,
bunch up there.
Syracuse.
Yeah. I know.
Laura.
what else we got?
Bill
What are they in
Matthews.
New York City for?
Oh, there's Jamie
Oh,
Hood.
listen,
Yeah.
man.
I'm over there trying to buy a new ring.
That's why I got to get
Y'all
my
know I
wife for
lost
Christmas.
my
Jamie Hood
diamond.
Jeweler. Oh, yeah, we lost one last year, so
My
we're trying to.
anniversary ring diamond,
Yeah.
so he's
Yeah, he's over in Decatur
That's a
and
message.
over on Avalon in Muscle Shoals.
That's a message from God.
Yeah. I don't know. We combed the house 4 or 5 times trying to find out what was going on over there.
Hey, I got a
We're on
couple.
a different
All right, wait a minute. Zach's got something. What do you got, Zach?
Hey, I forgot one thing. Mentioned the Blue Springs Elementary. We had Mr. Baker, Mr. Hamilton up here the other day. They got their coat drive Saturday from 8 to 11. They'll be giving away food and blankets and coats. So anybody that needs anything, that's a good thing.
What
uh,
they're
size
doing.
coat does Mr. Baker
Show up
wear?
to. Otherwise, we know him as Butch.
4X.
Butch. K.
Now they're
Baker.
not taking any more donations. That
Oh, wait a minute. Zach's having to go to the ball game this Saturday by himself.
No, Coach
Yes,
Leg.
he is.
Well, I heard Coach Leg wasn't going. I was told last night, just a few minutes ago, Coach Leg wasn't going. So I don't know if that's true or not. Which I think that's a rumor.
Will you go? All right, let me ask you this, guys.
No, I
Y'all
won't
know
go
better.
without them
Will
guys.
Zach go by himself? if he
No.
had
No
to?
way.
No, I won't go
He
by
won't go
myself.
by himself to Walmart.
But hey,
Not even to the bathroom because he got to have a weenie slapped in his face.
some Alabama Auburn notes. A.J. McCarron practiced for the first time with the Cincinnati Bengals. They've cleared him to practice. And Ben Tate was cut the other day by Cleveland. He was picked up yesterday by Minnesota. So that's some Alabama Auburn news.
Hey, who's the highest paid cornerback in the NFL?
Probably Adrian Peterson.
Cornerback. Adrian Peterson's a running back.
Not
Patrick
Patrick Peterson.
Patrick Peters.
He is. He sure is. The highest paid SEC.
All right, that's enough about LSU. Let me take my first break on a Thursday morning. We'll have a house full here in just a little. We'll play Judge Jamie. We come back just there. Got my favorite contestants
Panel.
up here. Jurors, as I might refer to y'all as.
goodness.
Got some good questions this morning. I have scanned the papers. USA Today, Decatur Daily, News Courier, which ain't a whole lot, but Phil did it. And Daily Mail. Got some y'all may not know about. I doubt y'all know any of the answers this morning.
Clint,
We
you can
come back.
participate.
We'll come back and play in just a moment. Y'all hang on.
Local and loving